Good morning, Smartins. My name is Manju ma'am, and today I am here for, as I promised you, to complete your question answer round of chapter number 13, National Movement 1. And today I am here for with the explanation of question answers. Beta, open your book at page number 116. 116. Okay. Now we start from the fill in the blanks. Chapter number 13. Indian Council Act passed in 1909 was popularly known as Marley-Minto Reforms. 1909 the act was passed. Its name is Marley-Minto Reforms. M-O-R-L-E-Y Marley, M-I-N-T-O Minto Reforms. Second is Madras Mahajan Sabha was founded in the year 1884. Madras Mahajan Sabha was founded in the year 1884. Third, the Dash movement was launched following the partition of Bengal. In which year partition of Bengal movement was started? In 1905. Or after completing the partition of Bengal movement, after just recent 1906 में कौन सा मूवमेंट आया? स्वदेशी एंड बॉयकट मूवमेंट. तो इसका आंसर इज स्वदेशी एंड बॉयकट मूवमेंट. SWADESHI स्वदेशी and BOYCOTT boycott movement. Okay. Now I am explaining your very short question answers. What was the role played? First question: what was the role played by A.O. Hume? A.O. Hume, you know that A.O. Hume is Allen Octave Hume. Allen Octave Hume, in which Allen Octave Hume was the person who started the National Congress, who started the pavestone of National Congress, INC, Indian National Congress. And Hume proposed that the organization would work for the moral, material and political progress of India. आगे next question is what were the means of spreading awareness adopted by moderates? Moderates demands were ineffective. Moderates की demands ineffective होती जा रही थी. So they favored the direct action against the government by some actions like protest, demonstration, boycott, etc. Swadeshi movement was also started for that type of movement started by the moderates for influencing the British government for their demands. Next question is mention the slogan raised by Tilak, बाल गंगाधर तिलक द्वारा जो mention slogan था वो था स्वराज इज अवर बर्थ राइट. स्वराज इज अवर बर्थ राइट. स्वराज हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन व्हेन वाज द खिलाफत इशू गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? बेटा खिलाफत इशू फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज खिलाफत. खिलाफत जो मूवमेंट था जो आपके मुस्लिम कंट्रीज़ हैं, सऊदी अरेबिया हुआ, जॉर्डन हुआ, सऊदी अरेबिया, जॉर्डन, इराक हैं, ये यहाँ पर ना ऑटोमन एम्पायर चलता है. ऑटोमन एम्पायर में तो ऑटोमन कंट्रीज़ कही जाती हैं. तो इन कंट्रीज़ में खिलाफत मूवमेंट चला था. एंड द खिलाफत मूवमेंट ईयर इज़ 1919 to 1924. 1919 में एक मूवमेंट और आया था इन आवर इंडिया. वो क्या था? Started by the British government, and we suffered that by this movement. We suffered a lot. We Indians suffered a lot. But that the movement? Yes, that movement name is Jallianwala Bagh. 13 April 1919. तो उस जलियांवाला बाग के टाइम पे, जलियांवाला बाग मसाक्रे था, उसी टाइम पे ये ऑटोमन एम्पायर में और सऊदी अरेबिया, जॉर्डन, इराक, ये सारी कंट्रीज़ में खिलाफत मूवमेंट चल रहा था बाय द मुस्लिम्स. The Khilafat movement was launched by the Muslim to influence the British government and save the Ottoman Empire. ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट का जो रूल था सिर्फ इंडिया पे नहीं था, बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ पे. दे कॉलोनाइज्ड द मैनी कंट्रीज. सो उसमें से एक ऑटोमन एम्पायर भी था. तो इन्फ्लुएंस द ऑटोमन एम्पायर और इन्फ्लुएंस द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट एंड सेव द ऑटोमन एम्पायर. खिलाफत मूवमेंट was started by the Ottoman countries. Next question is name 3 political organization founded before the formation of Indian National Congress. इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस से पहले कुछ स्टार्ट हुए थे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेम आर आपको पता भी है, बॉम्बे एसोसिएशन, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha and Madras Mahajan Sabha. I think everything is clear for all. Thank you very much, and you have to complete your work on a daily basis, or I will check after the winter vacation. So thank you a lot.